Hey guys, I'm back. Hello. And today we have an unboxing here of the Louis Vuitton Micro Pochette of the giant monogram collection. Here it is, guys. It is tiny, isn't it? Very small and very cute. It was always almost impossible to get this piece, guys. I actually had to pay resale to get my hands on this, but it was so cute and it's so worth it for me because it's just so beautiful. Comparison to the mini pochette size wise, mini pochette is huge compared to this piece. Let me try to hold it like this for you guys. Yeah, that's gonna be a better view, so you guys see what the actual size of this piece is. I have put, for the sake of demonstration, a pair of AirPods inside here, so you can see how small it is. Pull it out. The inside is like with all mini pochettes. In this micro pochette, it's cloth interior inside, and in this case it's a beige color. From the back, one side, I mean, it's green with a big fleur. In the other is LV canvas in kind of beige color. I think very beautiful combination. Yeah, so mini pochette, micro pochette. It does come with a hook inside, as does the other one. But it's more like a charm, I would say, or it's good, of course, for keys. And as I already showed you, AirPods, for example, or stuff of that kind of size would fit inside here. There. I'm thrilled that I have this piece, guys, because I was on a hunt for it for really long, and it was really hard to get in store. I did manage to pick one up in store. Finally, I had to pay resale, but okay, it is what it is. But for me, it's so worth it because it's so beautiful. Isn't it great? Look at it, guys. Sides are almost white beige. Actually, they are white. And the pull tab is actually white with black fleur-de-lis and Louis Vuitton signs. Hardware is gold on this piece. As I already said, it has the declaw, which you can see here. So it is still, although to its size, a very functional piece, in my honest opinion. Sure, this one is better from the terms of size. It can fit a mobile phone if you have a smaller phone. For example, an iPhone 8 or an iPhone 10 does fit in a mini pochette. In this one, obviously, you cannot fit a phone, but okay, it's not meant for something like that. There. I hope you guys like this quick little video. I just wanted to show you this because I just recently received this and I want to put it to use immediately. But before that, I wanted to show you on the video how it looks. If you have any questions about the micro pochette, do let me know, guys. I'll be sure to come back to you and let you know. This is all. Bye for now.